Graduation day was supposed to be the moment of clarity, a time to celebrate and plan my next steps. But for me, it was filled with questions. One thing I knew for sure was that I wanted to continue my studies in the management itself. But there was a big decision I had to make. Should I pursue an MBA or a PGDM? And from which institute should I pursue it? Hi, my name is Karan Kachaliya and currently I am pursuing PGDM at Vivekanand Business School. After researching both options, I realized that PGDM offered a more updated, industry-aligned curriculum, especially in the areas like marketing and business strategy. It seemed like a better fit to prepare me for today's rapidly evolving business world. Then came the next question: which institute would be the right place for me to pursue this? I didn't want just another college. I wanted an institute that offered more than textbooks, one that provided hands-on learning, real-world exposure, and mentorship. After careful consideration, I found out that the Vivekanand Business School offered exactly what I was looking for: a curriculum that was relevant, industry-focused, and designed to help students like me to thrive in the corporate world. Choosing VBS turned out to be one of the best decisions I have made. The focus on experiential learning, industry interaction, and the case studies immediately stood out to me. Every lecture, every assignment was designed to connect theory with the real-life situations. At VBS, I realized it wasn't just about the classroom. It was about learning from experiences, taking on challenges, and solving problems in the real time. The faculty supported us at every step of the way, providing guidance and encouragement to help me grow. I came into VBS with a lot of uncertainty about my future. But today, I feel more confident and prepared to face the challenge of the business world. The environment here pushed me grow, step out of my comfort zone, and develop both professionally and personally. If you are feeling unsure about your next step, don't worry. VBS can help you find your path, just like it did for me. Take the leap and clarity will come.